Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, and today we are going to unbox this. So this is the Nissan Skyline GTR BNR34, and this is from last pop culture set. So originally I didn't buy this or unbox this, but a lot of people started asking me to unbox this. So I was like, okay, why not? So but lucky enough I was able to get this one because everywhere I bought this to this and that Nismo to a lot of people, but when I wanted to buy it, I didn't get it that easily because at some point I actually forgot to buy this. But luckily, I was in one of the shop and they had this box, like entire set. They just got it, so I just took it without hesitating. So okay, let's unbox this and see how this one looks. And okay, this I bought for MRP only, not more than that, or even not even less than that, because I bought it in a local shop. So again, support your local shops. So even though they are giving for MRP itself, at least they don't scalp, and they will help you out. Okay, so here is the casting itself. Okay, there is a lot of dust here. Okay, so here it is. So the first impressions of this casting, this looks really nice, and as usual you can see the letterings and all. It's kind of a bit smudgy. So but everything else, it looks really nice. The rims, I personally like this set of rims because this is the first time I'm having a Hot Wheels car with this set of rims. So as usual you can see the headlights are painted, but the logo placement is good. You can see the GTR inside and Nismo outside, and you can see the tail light details as well. I'm really sorry for the noise, guys. I'm just trying to speak louder because these dogs are barking a lot. Oh my god, that is really annoying nowadays. Okay, so this is full metal, if you guys are wondering, specifically for the new collectors who guys are wondering what a premium is. Again, I will say this one more time. Premium is full metal casting, metal body, metal chassis, rubber tires, and some unique set of rims. So I personally love this set of rims. The one which I had in this Corvette, I do like that so much. But this one is something new even for me. I do like this. So I don't see any paint job issues, paint bubbling and all. So except for except here a little bit you can see. I need to say that, right? Okay. So overall the casting looks really awesome. Let's do a roll test real quick. It is actually pretty heavy. I never thought this is going to be this heavy. Okay, just give some push. Okay, this rolls smooth because of rubber tires, but it is not rolling really that fast as other things, as the Audi or even the Turtle wagon. So those two roll really nice compared to this one, because even with lot of push, it is not really rolling that well. But end of the day, you are not going to play this on a track or anything. So you are just going to keep it in your showcase, or even some people they will just keep it carded because they want to scalp it in the future. So yeah. So that's it for today, guys. If you like my video, thumbs up button. If you love my video, subscribe. And as always, thanks for watching this video. Have a great day. Goodbye.